If you want to do a Feng Shui audit of your home, the first step is to identify what you want to change. This should be done before the actual work begins, because once the home has been renovated and repainted, it's hard to go back and change things. The second step is to determine where the energy lives in your home. This can be done by doing a spiritual cleansing ritual or by using a pendulum or other divining tools. If you're having trouble finding out where the energy resides in your house, try asking a close friend or relative who lives there. Once you know where the energy is, you can move on to remedying it. Feng Shui practitioners recommend that you cleanse all 5 elements of your home: earth, floor, water, ceiling, wind, shelves, fire, vases, and metal doors. In addition to this cleansing process, they also recommend using herbs such as mugwort for earth energy and mint for wind energy.